Welcome. My name is Barb Drostwich. I'm a technical trainer, and I also do a lot of training on WordPress. In this video, we're going to talk about putting Amazon affiliate links on a WordPress blog. The principle is similar with a Blogger blog, and I'll explain the differences as we go along. Many people do what you see over on the right-hand side on this sidebar. They put what I would call an affiliate widget in place. I actually don't like this for a number of reasons. First of all, it screams that it's an affiliate link. I like to be a little bit more subtle. But my main complaint with this is that the graphic is really small. So in terms of showing off a book that you have for sale, this doesn't do a very good job. You can't see the book cover very well. So obviously in today's example, we're going to use a book cover. You can use anything that Amazon has to sell that offers affiliate links for it. They all work in exactly the same way. So this book cover is actually sitting over here, a nicer size. You can actually see the book cover. You can see the title, etc. So we're going to work with a graphic of the book cover or the product that you want to sell, and we're going to embed the link into the back side of that graphic so that when it's clicked on, it will lead to Amazon so that somebody can purchase it. We're not going to do this. We're going to do something different. By the end of this video, you should be able to put a graphic on the sidebar that will lead, when clicked on, to Amazon. You'll also be able to put a graphic in place on a poster page, again, hot linked to with an Amazon affiliate link so that when somebody clicks on it, they can go directly to Amazon. We'll also talk about putting a text link in place. So all three of them. So let's start with the picture here. So we're going to go to this tab here. I'm already logged into the back side of this blog. So I've gone to posts, all posts, and edit posts. So I can manipulate the information on a post. So you'll see here the picture is already in place. So all we need to do is get the link that allows us to connect it with Amazon. So to do that, we're going to go up to this tab here, and I'm already signed on to my Amazon account or my Amazon affiliate account. What we're going to do is go to product linking and product links. And that will gradually whir and come up. We're then, in this case, I'm going to link to the Kindle version of that particular book. So I'm going to narrow down my search to Kindle Store. I'm going to enter the title of the book. And then click on Go. You'll notice it brings up a number of selections. This is somebody else's book, but both of these are mine, and they're both versions of the same book. This is the audio version, and this is the Kindle version. Over on the right-hand side, you can see the orange link here that says Get Link. So you click on that once, and again, it will whir and bring up this particular page. What I want you to notice is that there are three links: text and image, text only, and image only. It defaults to the text and image version. So what you're seeing here is exactly what I put in place on the sidebar of my blog. Okay, this is the one that I don't like. So if we go back here and click on text only, what it will do is give us the code down below to produce a text link that looks like this. Okay. Some of the changes that have occurred recently on the Amazon affiliate side make copying and pasting this a little awkward. So the instructions that I had on the previous video on this particular subject don't really work anymore. They sort of work, but you have to manipulate it a little bit. So I'm going to be a bit clearer on this one. What I'm going to do is click down here where the HTML code is for that particular link. And you'll see as soon as I click on it once, the whole business gets highlighted. I'm then going to copy it. I'm going to go back to the edit post version or side of my blog of the post, and I'm going to click and paste all of the code onto the post. I'm not going to leave it like that. I'm doing it this way so that we can actually look at this code and we can actually play with it. So the part of the code that we want goes from the first quote to the second quote. So I am going to click here, copy down to here, or highlight down to here, and copy. All of the rest of this code is used when actually displaying the book cover or displaying, in our case, the link. And I don't want to do that right now. So I'm just going to take the first quote to the second quote. Click on the picture once, click on the pencil to edit. Go down to link to, choose custom URL, paste that big long nasty affiliate link in place, and click on open link in a new tab. So in other words, you're putting somebody, or you're giving somebody something to click on that is outside of your blog. So you always have them open in a new window or tab so that they don't get lost from your blog and they can come back to the same point again. So I refresh the screen, so hopefully when I click on this, poof, there we go. It goes to the Amazon affiliate page, and you'll notice it defaults to the Kindle version, not the Audible version. So let's go back to the back side, and when we look at the code, I just want you to point out here what is highlighted here, tag equals, and then some letters and some numbers. So that's the affiliate code that has been associated with this particular book. Whenever somebody clicks on affiliate link, everything they purchase after that, for whatever period of time, all of the various affiliate companies will set a time limit, will be credited to you, and you will get a little bit of money for each sale. So I'm going to leave this in place, but first I'm going to copy this link again so that I can use it, and just update it just to save it in place. Now we're going to look at putting a clickable link on the sidebar. So I'm going to put it on the primary sidebar. I'm going to go down here, grab an image widget. I'm going to put it right up at the top. I'm going to select an image, and it will take me to my media library. I'm going to grab the cover graphic that we've been working with. Click on Insert into Widget, and you notice it's a really large graphic, so what actually displays is pretty small. I'm going to take out the title. It will give me the title of the picture, and I'm going to say something like available on Amazon. I'm going to go down, click on link, paste it. So that's the Amazon affiliate link. I'm going to say open a new window, and I'm going to size it. So I'm going to size it something like 200 pixels wide, and I'm going to align it in the center, and I'm going to save it. So when I go to the front, I should see this. So if we go to the front and refresh, there we are. So the book cover is in place. You'll notice the difference in size between the widget version and simply hot linking a picture. The picture is bigger, it's crisper, it's easier to see what it is that is available on Amazon. So if I click on this picture, there again, we've gone to Amazon. I'm going to go back to posts and all posts. So we've seen how to put an Amazon affiliate link into a post, which is identical to a page. We have seen how to put it on the sidebar of your blog. Both of them, when clicked on, lead to Amazon and carry the affiliate tag so that you get credit for whatever somebody buys. So let's say that we simply want to say available on Amazon as a text link. I'm going to copy the code again. I'm going to put it up here. Insert a link, paste. Click on apply, and then update. So essentially what we've done is put a customized text link in place. So if I scroll down, you'll see right here, available on Amazon is a customized text link. Again, I click on it and I go to Amazon and the tag is taken with me. So the last thing I want to look at is Amazon. And how do you know whether people are clicking on your links? It's relatively easy. The menu along the top, you're going to go to Reports and Earning Reports. And Amazon will whir a little bit. Let's find a day. I'm just going to do a range. Find a day when there was actually sales. And bring this up. Scroll down a little bit. And you'll see that I've sold some copies of my books. So every time I've sold a copy of the book, it's recorded it. It's told me that I've earned 6.02% advertising fee. It's actually told me I've sold 4 of these. The total revenue is $15.96, and of that I've earned 96 cents. So you're not going to get rich on affiliate links, but it does give you a little bit of money every time something is sold. The other thing that I like looking at is the tracking ID summary report. So if I display that on the page, you'll see that I have a number of different affiliate tags for different sites that I have affiliates on. And you'll see that each site records the number of clicks. So it tells me every time somebody clicks on a link, and I know which site because of the code. It tells me the items ordered, the items shipped. So in some cases, somebody purchases, let's say, a computer, and I don't get advertising fees until it has actually been shipped. All of the examples that I've brought up in this case are ebooks, and so I get the money credited immediately because it's an immediate delivery. But it tells me the shipped items revenue and the advertising fees so far this month. It's early in the month, but you'll notice that I've made $1.44. So not quite yet enough for a coffee, but pretty close. So I hope this helps. Go to your site, see if you can put an image into a post and hot link it using the portion from the quote to the quote of the link. Go to the sidebar, see if you can put a picture in place and hot link it with the same link, and see if you can put together a customized link or a text link in place. If in fact you have a blogger blog, putting a picture in place is basically identical. You're just going to attach a link to it. On the sidebar, you can also put a picture in place and hot link the picture as well. The words are a little bit different, but the principle is the same. So I hope this helps. If you have any questions whatsoever, don't hesitate to leave me a question or a comment on the YouTube video. I monitor these and I'm always happy to answer any questions that you run into. Practice and see what you can do for your site.